Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I will show you a very nice pocket watch with the brand Omega in 18 carats solid gold. Straight away I can tell you that this watch looks like just left the factory. Amazing condition of pocket watch in 18 carats solid gold. If you look at the dial, you will see that it looks very much to the evening sky. So this is the reason for me to call this watch Astronomia. Very impressive dial. This pocket watch is an open face, and by the serial number we can date this watch with very good precision. The watch is made in year 1902. This means that the watch is nearly 118 years old, and as you can see, the watch looks amazing. It has original hands. I'm gonna wind this pocket watch just a few times, 3-4 times, 3 times. That's absolutely enough. As you can see, the watch starts working straight away. This watch looks and works very well. I think that every collector would love to own it. The case is in rose gold, very clean condition. There are no dents or scratches anywhere on the case and covers. For sure, there are no injuries from dropping or impact. Let me show you the case of the watch from inside. I'm gonna open it. It's very tight. We got some stamps here from the top to the bottom. Top one is Omega. The next one is Helvetia head. This stamp shows us the purity of gold, 18 carats. The next stamp is 18K, and the bottom one, and on the bottom is a serial number of the case. The serial number is 1535604. And let's see the movement of the watch. On this cover probably we got same stamps from inside. Yes, absolutely same stamps. And this is the movement of the watch. I can safely say it's rarely seen as well preserved movement. The movement is completely clean and oiled. It works very good and has been tested for a period of time. It shows very good results. The movement is composite of one main plate. The main plate is this one under the dial, and 3 bridges. The first bridge holds the balance wheel, which is this one here. The second bridge holds the mainspring, which is this one here, and the mainspring is just under this wheel. And the third one holds the gear wheels, and they all create the movement of the watch. To clean it, every one part was disassembled and then placed back very precisely. It has a power reserve of 35 hours. This watch movement gained 15-20 seconds for every 24 hours, which is a very good achievement. For that time, a well-working pocket watch gave a difference of 2-3 minutes for every 24 hours, as watches have been adjusted every day. The balance running very strong. You can see that. That movement has a 15 joules. This means that the movement has a 15 precious stones. The stones are on places where it's large friction in order to protect the metal from abrasion. One very interesting thing with this movement is that it has a micro-regulator. This thing here, this circle thing. It is very rare to see micro-regulator on a pocket watch movement Omega. The movement also has a serial number. The serial number is located under the dial. Actually, it's located on two places. Once under the dial, and second place it's here. It's not visible very well, but the serial number is 1156-117. All Omega watches starting with a serial number of 1 million are made between year 1895 and year 1902. Hope you enjoy with this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much and see you next time.